I'm going to show you how to snell a hook. This is something that you'll want to use with your fish finder rig. We use snells when we're making like a mortician rig where we want a stronger main line, and then maybe your drops are not going to be as strong. So right now we're going to change the camera angle. I'm going to show you how to snell that hook. This is 40-pound mono. You can use 40 or 50 or 60. So we're going to take this first of all through the eye of the hook, down the back of it. And then I'm going to hold that there. I'm going to wrap this around probably 7 or 8 times. You see, you want those loops to be really uniform around there. And then I'm going to figure out, I'm going to hold that there, and I'm going to figure out how long I want this to be. So let's just say I want it about this long. Cut that off. And then I'm going to take that end of it right back through the top there and just pull it tight, and that actually is very strong. It's going to hold that there. Now you can clip the tag end here. I don't think it's going to hurt anything, but if, like, say if we want to clip it, I just wouldn't clip it all the way up into those loops. Just clip it off there to leave some of it. But that's going to hold pretty strong, and snelling a hook is something that I believe every angler should know, and that's all there is to it.